there, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty, LLC, and today we're talking about title reports from the buyer's perspective. So, we've finally gotten your dream house into transaction and you're so excited about buying this property, and now we discover all the things that are wrong with it. So the title report is one of the contingencies, and they're going to produce this report for us to look at, and there's going to be any liens that the seller has put on the property, as well as any liens that you might have against you that have to be paid before you buy the property, and then what is recorded against the property specifically. So let me get back to that. Typically what comes up on a title report for the seller is the back taxes, perhaps back child support, alimony, all kinds of crazy stuff can come up. If there's anything in there that has to be paid, it will be paid during the transaction and paid off so that you don't inherit any of the seller's debts. On the buying perspective, typically what's going to happen is there might be your name might be John Smith, and there might be 3 other John Smiths, and one of them might have back taxes that are attached to their name, and so you're going to have to do a bunch of paperwork so that the title company can make sure that that's not you. In addition, you might actually have some back taxes or something that has to be paid or proven that it's current. For instance, child support. That's going to be additional paperwork that's going to be filed with the title company to make sure that when you purchase the property, no new loans go against the property. And then now to the house. So the house is a really interesting piece in that it could be a condominium, of course, and then you already know that there's a homeowners association, and that homeowners association has rules and regulations about what you can and can't do to the property and in the property. But what you might not know is that in Portland, there's a bunch of defunct homeowners associations that still run with the property. So for instance, I have an example of a title report here for you to look at where there's a homeowners association that specifically was built during Prohibition, and it specifically says you can have no alcoholic substances on the property. Obviously, that's not been bothered to be taken off the title, so it does continue to run with the property forever unless you and a group of all of your neighbors decide that you want to pay money to have that taken off. So all kinds of stuff can come up about the house. Shared driveways, easements, utility easements, all kinds of stuff. If there's anything in here that you don't like, we can get out and get your earnest money back. And that's pretty much the key that you need to know. Most of the time you're going to see stuff that you expect and that's not shocking, but sometimes you might be surprised. We'll get through it together. You take care, and we'll talk soon. If you like this video, click the like button below, and of course subscribe to our channel so you get all the new weekly content. If you have a comment or question, comment below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for tuning in.